Hello and welcome to the video where I take you through the process of rebuilding my website using NextJS. The current one is in Gatsby. So this is the current website. Uh, so I will rebuild this complete thing in NextJS with a few improvements, of course. And I'm trying to record myself doing that so that you know how bad of a developer I am. Is that even a joke? Let me start by showing you what I've done till now. Nothing much. I've just cloned an example that uses tailwind css. So if you see the look at the package.json, we have these dependencies. So this next mdx remote would allow me to take content from the files, which will be in mdx or markdown, and serve as the blog post. And I have tailwind css, tailwind typography, which would style the blog post. So yeah, let's get started. So in this I have an index page. So for that I have to just run the website. Okay, so as a starting point, this is the website that the example gives us. So what I'm going to do is remove everything that is inside the main. Bye bye. And write namaste. No, that's not a component yet. Come on. Cool. So we have these styles here. Let me just quickly make another file called components, a layout component. TSX or JSX? I don't know. So I don't have to import React, I guess. So export default function layout. So this would return whatever is in here. So this is the complete layout. It serves as a shell for the complete website. Okay, so it consists of three basic parts, which means I have a header, main content, and a footer. So these are different. The head tags are the ones that go into the head of the HTML file. So if I change Aravind Balla, then we've not imported it yet. Okay, layout and namaste here. So instead of hard coding it, we would get that from children. The children comes from here. Let me change the text to see that, to actually know something has changed. Namaste again. So yeah, it changed. Okay, cool. So we have a layout file which acts as the shell. So now I want a header. Okay, so the header is of class, or is of type flex. Okay, with items. How do you justify? So you justify space between, if I want justify between. Yes. Okay, cool. So the first step is I have my name. So I want to use link components. So link components would allow me to link between the pages that I have in Next.js. So I import it like this. So this will link to the home page. It will say Aravind Balla, and then I have another div which is a flex. Okay, and this will have links of all the things. For example, writings. We don't have the pages yet, which I'll make in a moment. Hack letter, which is my newsletter, and what else? Okay, nothing for now. Let's leave it like this and see later. Okay, so if you see, the link expects a href. Okay, so it's not 2, it is href. Cool. So this would have width full. Okay, and justify between. Okay, is the JIT broken for some reason? Phew. Yeah. Okay, turns out the JIT, the just-in-time compiler for Tailwind CSS, had a few issues. Okay, we're back in action again. So the py8 should suffice, and I don't want the header. I want the header to be the fullest, but I want the max width to be not full. So what I can do there is I can have a px, or I can actually have a div, okay, which is a flex and has these contents in it. Okay, and I can okay, and I can do a max width of XL and MX auto, so which will center things up. So 3XL should be good enough. Yeah, that should be good. Okay, so this is the header again. I would change it back to header. Okay, and this is the footer. And footer, what do we have? Let me open my old website and just copy content from it. So this is an advantage that I have. As I already have the website, I have my content ready. So this is the footer. Okay, how does this respond? href. Okay, which means okay, this looks good. Let me also copy my content from the index page, just some content, so that I don't have an empty thing. Probably till here, because this doesn't have any dependency. Cool. Link is not defined. Where is link? Okay. Uh, this is href again. Cool, but this isn't good. So I would like to wrap everything in a div. Tailwind removes all the basic styles, so a p tag will not look like a p tag. It's just some text. So what I can do, because I have installed this plugin called typography, I can do I can give a class name of prose, and it will make it look like normal text. Okay, and I don't like this center alignment, so I think I have to change it in the layout. Yeah, it's not text center. Cool. Okay, and here justify center should be gone so that I have it on the top. Perfect. Well, that's the end of the first video. See you in the next one. Bye.